Ese cristalito roto, yo sentí como crujía. Antes de caer al suelo, ya sabía que se rompía. Está parpadeando la luz del casino.
Hey guys, and welcome. I'm Ralu, and today we are starting a new series here on YouTube, the Euphoria inspired makeup looks. Well, honestly, I have to tell you that I love this show. First, when I first watched it, it has made me feel a lot of things. Most of the time I was feeling shocked and sometimes uncomfortable. But at the end of the day, I really love the show. The makeup looks are so great. Oh my god, the makeup artist did such an amazing job. I will put their Instagram links in the description so you can go and check them out, because they are showing every makeup look that they have done, and honestly, it's incredible. Yes. And because I love the characters so much and I love their makeup, I really wanted to recreate them. So here I am. Today we are starting with two of Maddy's looks.
Malamente. Malamente.
So before we begin, I'm going to prep my skin as usual using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Primer. I'm applying it all over the face. For foundation, I'm going to use a combination between Makeup Forever Ultra HD Foundation and MAC Studio Fix Fluid. I'm mixing them here on the back of my hand, and then I'm dotting it onto the face. And I am blending it out with my sponge.
Ese cristalito roto, yo sentí como crujía. Antes de caerse al suelo, ya sabía que se rompía. Está parpadeando la luz del casino. Una voz en la escalera, alguien cruzando el pasillo. Malamente, malamente, vamos. La noche rara, a salir una estrella, melodía esa gitana.
Now it's time for concealer, and one of my favorite one is Fenty Pro Filter Concealer Instant Retouch, and I apply it right here to get rid of darkness.
Sueño que estoy andando por un puente que la acera, no más quiero cruzarlo, más se mueve y tambalea. Malamente.
And now let's blend it.
Malamente. 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 Aunque no esté bonita, la noche un dime, voy a salir para la calle, la manita los aros brillando en mi piel los corales, me protege y me salva, me ilumina y me guarda por delante.
And now let's set it. First, you want to make sure that it doesn't have any creases under the eye. So I'm coming up with my sponge again. And then I'm setting it.
No voy a perder ni un minuto en volver a pensarte. Malamente. Malamente. Mira. Malamente. Toma que toma. Malamente. 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 Toma que toma. Malamente.
For the eyebrows, I'm going to use a slightly darker pencil. This is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's Perfect Brow Pencil, because Maddy has these dark eyebrows, and I'm going to go a little darker this time. I'm going to try something new. Her eyebrows are not very well defined, so I'm just going to fill them in a little bit, but not precisely, not too defined. And I'm just following the natural shape of my eyebrows. Nothing too crazy and nothing too much. And now I'm going to set them in place using my Benefit Give Me Brow mascara. And we can now move on to the makeup of the eyes. So I'm going to prime my lids using my soft ochre paint pot from MAC Cosmetics. Now for the eyeshadow, I'm going to use the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill palette. And I'm going to start with this shade, which I'm going to apply on the lid up to the crease.
Ese cristalito roto, yo sentí como crujía. Antes de caerse al suelo, ya sabía que se rompía. Está parpadeando la luz del descansillo. Una voz en la escalera, alguien cruzando el pasillo. Malamente, sí, sí, malamente, mano, mira, malamente, toma que toma, malamente, malamente, mano.
Now I'm going to apply this eclectic blue over, and I'm using pressing motion.
Me lo dijo esa gitana, mejor no salir a verla. Sueño que estoy andando por un puente que la acera. No más quiero cruzarlo, más se mueve y tambalea.
And I'm taking this blue shadow onto the crease.
Malamente.
And I'm taking again the blending brush and I'm blending the colors.
Malamente, mano.
And to darken the color a little bit, I'm going to use Shadow Evidence from the Urban Decay Smoked palette. I haven't used this palette in such a long time. But this color, this blue eyeshadow, wow. I forgot how beautiful it is. I should use it more often. The same blue I'm going to apply on the lower lash line.
Aunque no esté bonita, la noche un dime. Voy a salir pa' la calle, la manita lojera, brillando en mi piel los corales. Me protege y me saca, me ilumina y me guarda por delante. No voy a perder ni un minuto en volver a...
On the waterline, I'm applying a black pencil and I'm using Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil. And I'm going to line the upper lid also, which is something so scary, but it makes such a big difference. See? And in the inner corner I'm going to apply NYX Lid Lingerie, and this is in White Lace Romance. And I'm going to place it right here. And on top of it, I'm applying this eyeshadow from the MAC Cosmetics Cool Neutral Makeup Palette, just to set it in place. Because this is a liquid eyeshadow, and it has to set in order to stay all day long. Now I'm going to apply some mascara, pop on some lashes, and I will be right back. So we're done with the eyes, and now we're going to move on to the face. And of course in the show there is no strong contouring, there is no highlighting, but I kind of want to do a little bit, and I'm going to bronze my face using the Kat Von D Shade and Light Contour Palette, and I'm using this shade just to give myself a little bit of color, but not too much.
Ese cristalito roto, yo sentí como crujía.
Nose.
Antes de caerse al suelo, ya sabía que se rompía. Está parpadeando.
For blush, I'm going to use Peaches by MAC.
Una voz en la escalera, alguien cruzando el pasillo. Malamente, malamente,
I'm going to align my lips using Spice from MAC.
Se ha puesto la noche rara, a salir una estrella. Me lo dijo esa gitana, mejor no salir a verla.
And then I'm going to apply Kinda Sexy.
Por un puente que la será, no más quiero cruzarla.
And on top of it, some gloss balm from Fenty Beauty, which is my favorite. And now, left pièce de the Crazy Stones, the Rhinestones.
Aunque no esté bonita, la noche un nivel, o a salir para la calle, la manita enojada, brillando en mi piel los corales, me protege, me salva, me ilumina y me guarda por delante. No voy a perder ni un minuto en volver a pensarte. Malamente, malamente.
Now we're going to finish off with some setting spray. And this is the final result of the first look. Now we're going to start with look number 2. For the second look, I'm going to start off with the same base that we have done for the first look. What we're going to do now is apply some mascara under the eyes. Now we're going to apply some false lashes. These are red cherry lashes in Stevie. So I'm going to apply the glue. Let it dry a little bit until it becomes sticky. Now we're going to apply mascara to the lower lashes.
Antes de caerse al suelo, ya sabía que se rompía. Está parpadeando la luz del cansillo.
And the fun part, the rhinestones. So for this look, I will apply one here.
La noche rara, a salir una estrella. Me lo dijo esa gitana, mejor no salir a verla. Sueño que estoy andando por un puente que la será. No más quiero cruzarlo. Más se mueve y tambalea. Malamente.
I'm going to line my waterline with a dark pencil.
Malamente, malamente,
And there you have it. It's so simple but yet so effective. And with this look wraps up today's video. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you recreate it, please don't forget to tag me at Makeup by Ralu. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to my channel. And hopefully, I will see you on the next one. Bye bye.